Hello everyone. Today we will talk about best first search in AI. So before that, let's talk about first breadth first search. What is this? This is an algorithm, AI search algorithm that explores a graph or a tree using a queue to find the shortest point by visiting the neighbors of a node before moving deeper. That is, first it moves on the breadth side and the horizontal side. That is breadth first. Second is depth first. What is depth first? It traverses the algorithm by going as deeply as possible. That is, vertically it will move. Okay, now let's come to our topic. Before getting into greedy best first search, let's talk about quickly heuristic function. We need to know this. Instead of exhaustively checking every possible path like breadth first and depth first, heuristic function is a method algorithm used in AI to estimate which path is most likely to lead to the goal. This is the best path that will lead to the goal is heuristic function. Now let's get to greedy best first search. See, what greedy algorithm does is it does a informed search using the combines both DFS and breadth first. Okay, with an example we'll understand. First try to get and try to understand what I'm saying as it is. Greedy best first search prioritizes nodes solely based on one closest to the goal, so it operates like that. Okay, now let's get into the two lists that are there in this BFS. One is a open list and second is a closed list. List is a node that have been reached out. It has already been traversed, but not in priority queue. Second is closed list. Closed nodes that have been processed and it is kept in the closed loop so that it doesn't go back to creating infinite loops. There are two lists. One is open list, second is closed list. What it does is it opens a list, checks for the possibility, and moves it to a closed list. Okay. Okay. Second is at each step, the algorithm picks the lowest heuristic value. It opens a list, looks for the node, looks for the heuristic value which is at the lowest. Okay, so if the lowest value is there in the next node, it will open the list, expand the children, repeat the process until the goal is found. The formula is heuristic of n. Function of n is equal to heuristic of n. Okay, now it only considered estimated cost to the goal. It is fast, but it can pick up a suboptimal path. What do you mean by suboptimal path? It means it can go into a longer route. We look at an example, you will understand what both are these. To understand best first search, let's look at an example. Here, the goal initial state is home. Final goal is university. H is heuristic value. G is the actual distance. Okay. Now, with these heuristic value, the estimated distance to the target can be found. Okay, now in this algorithm, we actually ignore the actual distance. This actual distance is ignored in BFS. Okay, what this greedy best first algorithm does is it looks for the H, it goes through whichever is the lowest heuristic value. Okay, let's start with home. So from home, what are the options that we have? We have school, we have bank, we have garden. Three are there. Okay. Now home is 120. Okay. 120. Opening the list. First step is the open list is home, where we start. The closed list is empty. We'll go step by step in pathfinding. The neighbors are, as I said, school, garden, and bank. Check their heuristics. Bank is 80, garden is 100, school is 70. So the least is school. So decision is school has the lowest value. So now the open list is school 70, bank, garden. So now we are moving the home to closed list. This home where it was expanded, it has been closed. Now where do we go? We'll have to go to school because it has the lowest value. Now expand school. This is the second step. It means we choose home to school in this best first search algorithm. Okay. Now, who are the neighbors in this? Post office and railway station. And look at the values 110, 20. Post office 110 and railway station is 20. So obviously now what is going to happen is we'll have to go here, okay, to railway station because the heuristic value is low. Decision railway station. So now in the open list, we include railway station, bank, garden, post office. We were in school, now it has come to closed list. Home and school are closed. Okay. Now we'll have to expand railway station because it has the low heuristic value. Okay. Now let's sum and see. See, from this railway station, we have university, post office. Okay, now we have to, our goal is, okay, neighbors are garden and university. Now our goal is university and the heuristic value is 0. So university is the lowest. So open list, university, and other things are as usual. So the closed list, home, school, railway station is also closed. Goal reach. The algorithm selects university from open list and terminates. Now quickly I'll tell you as summing up what is best first search. Goal is home to university. Here we start. Goal is here. So low heuristic value is 70. So we are going here. Then next low heuristic value is railway station. So it comes here. Then our goal is university. So we arrive here. This is how AI will search in BFS. Best first search. Okay. It is only looking at heuristic value. Please remember. It is not looking at actual cost or actual distance. Okay. Hope you understand. If you have any questions in this, please ask me in comments. Also, I am going to take a star search in the next video. See you there. Thank you.